A little birdie told me that y'all need some Canva help. So here is my first tip. How to create frames. This is perfect for mock-ups. Y'all get into it. So what is very important to a lot of creatives nowadays is presenting our products that we spend so much time creating, presenting it properly to our customers, right? So one of the ways that we could do that, if you don't have good lighting and a clutter-free area to take actual pictures of your products, then what I want you to do is learn this tip, okay? Using frames in Canva. So y'all know the frames. Y'all know the frames where you could take this and put that in there, huh? You could just put stuff in there, right? You can move it around and it could show off your product, right? Well, let me show you a couple ways that you could create your very own frame. Get into it, sis. And I want y'all to drop it down in the comments that this was very helpful for you, okay? The number one way is right in Canva, honey. I want you to go to apps and then I want you to type in frame. See that? And I want you to take image to frame. Now, this is a paid feature, y'all. This is a paid feature. I seen that it is like $20. That's what tax, like $20 for the year. If it is important to you to be able to create, let me first of all, let me just say this is a game changer. I'm all up in the mic. Game changer. This is a big deal. This is one of the main reasons why people love Photoshop is because they can put their image into any shape, right? And it'll take on that image right in with ease. So let me show you. I have some grunges. Y'all are familiar with grunges? This up here was a grunge that I have. So in PNG form, I brought it into Canva and I created a frame out of it. Okay. Now I actually did it outside of Canva until I went looking around. That's what you got to do. If you pay for these apps, you need to be looking around to see what they have for you to make your life easier, honey. So this is one of the grunges I had. I think it was this one. Yep, that one. Okay. Now, I would like this grunge to be vertical, but I have a heart one in time for Valentine's Day, right? Now, Canva does have heart frames, but they don't have this like, if you want that little rough edge, you can create it. So let me upload it. I'm going to go ahead and put it there on my screen, right? Now I'm going to say convert image to frame. Delete that one. Y'all, what? I mean, say, huh? Say what? Let me go to my uploads. Hold on. Hold on. Say what? Baby. And that is a shirt all day. That is a shirt all day for Father's Day. All right. Okay, so let's do this again. I'm going to take another image. So I played around with this yesterday. Y'all watch this. Let me go back to apps. All right. I'm going to go to image to frame. Let me start a new page. Image to frame. I am going to, actually, I already have it in here. So let me add it to my workspace first. All right. So I have this very handsome picture of my hubby, right? And so I want to make this a frame. All right. Check it out. I want to make this a frame. So I'm going to go back to my apps. Should already be down here, but let me see. Image to frame. And then convert image to frame. Y'all see that? It got my hubby. So I'm going to delete that. And that is his. And then I could, you could get real creative with it. And let's just say we want to do a city skyline. All right, let's do this. Let's do this beautiful city skyline. Y'all know we are New Yorkers. All right, let's do that. Look at that. That's so pretty. Right? And then I even locked the image. Check this out, y'all. I even locked the image. Get creative. But I'm just showing y'all, look, I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. I know I am. Y'all can tell me. So let's just say I want to grab baby girl. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna grab this one, even though it's an old picture. Remove background. And we are just gonna do that and then edit. And then look, y'all, I'm giving y'all a whole design tutorial right here. Craziness. Crazy. Look at that. Now, or do I want to do a glow? Maybe I want to do a glow. The glow is kind of nice. So let me do this. Let's make the glow. Okay. And then we'll make it. Okay. So you could do that. And that's so cute. Like I can make that a total shirt for him for like Father's Day. That is so dope. Okay. Yes. So that's how you do the frame. Now, we're here to listen, not judge. If you cannot pay or don't want to pay the $20 for the year to have the image to frame app, you can do it outside of Canva. So what you can do, you're gonna have to go to another website. It is free. It's called Photopea. So what I am going to do is I am going to drag this over, drop it on in. It's already PNG, so if you have a JPEG, you will have to remove the background. So what you want to do is make sure you want to right click on this, click select pixels, go to path, and then at the bottom here, it's kind of like Photoshop if you're familiar. Go ahead and click selection to path. Right? Then you want to go up here to layer. Then you want to go to vector mask and then say current path. Right? Now what we want to do is download it, export as PDF. Yes, you can upload a PDF to Canva. Leave all that 0 and then go ahead and click save. Go back over to Canva and we want to do upload. We're going to put that in there. And then what we're going to do is right click and then say detach image. And there you go. That is how you can make a frame outside of Canva.